Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.3% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Top US banks could cut jobs further to keep their expenses in check, especially if lingering economic weakness derails a fledgling recovery in investment banking, according to comments made at their recent earnings. Last month, $1.5 trillion manager Franklin Templeton filed with the SEC for a Bitcoin spot ETF, joining a flurry of applications that was kicked off by the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, in June, and includes Wall Street giants Fidelity, Invesco Galaxy, and WisdomTree. The dollar held the yen near a two-week low as growing expectations the US Federal Reserve will keep rates higher for longer had the greenback and US Treasury yields on the rise tonight, and markets awaited a speech by Fed Chair Powell.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.